Methane is another deadly component for increasing Earth's temperature by greenhouse gas. So the greenhouse gas potential of methane but methane has one advantage than carbon dioxide is that it has low residence time in atmosphere compared to carbon dioxide. So it has a typically 12 years lifetime. So but if we compare the greenhouse gas potential of methane vis-a-vis carbon dioxide, so for a 20 years period, the greenhouse gas potential of methane is around 84 times that of carbon dioxide. Okay, and similarly for a 100 years time comparison, the greenhouse gas potential of methane will be around 25 to 27 times that of carbon dioxide. So methane has huge greenhouse gas potential, and also methane. This is the negative side of methane, but the positive side is that it has calorific value, so we can use it as a fuel. Okay, so in that context, we can use biogas as a renewable fuel. So our country, for example, India, we are fully dependent on natural gas import, hugely dependent on natural gas import. Okay, so government of India has a target to reduce this import by indigenous sources, from indigenous sources. So this biogas could be one potential area where we can actually replace this. We have the potential to produce enough biogas which can ultimately replace this natural gas import completely. Okay, provided we meet, there are several challenges that if we can meet that, then it is possible. Theoretically, it is possible.
Why do you think that we have that kind of potential, like coming to you, Dr. Swapnil, to completely eliminate the imports for natural gas?
You see, biogas is pretty versatile. I say versatile in the sense that whenever there is a a waste of biological origin, the nature has its own mechanism to reduce that biomass and also gives something more valuable in return. We have got a very large agricultural sector. It produces huge volumes of what we call as agricultural waste, which are in some cases are nuisance to the society and environment. As in case of Parali, you might have heard, Parali in some of our states is generated in so much volume that disposal of that Parali is quite challenging from both economical as well as environmental point of view. So this is where the anaerobic digestion can come in handy. In fact, there are many number of plants are coming up in the state of Punjab, where they are converting the Parali, which is a nuisance, into useful resources like methane. The secondary advantage, of course, this is nature's way of doing things. It always optimizes whatever is at the disposal. The secondary waste is after the anaerobic digestion is called a biomanure, which again is literally organic fertilizer for your fields. Parali was one thing. We also have a very big sugar industry. Waste from this industry has also very large potential for generation of biogas. We also have our household waste. You think of any biological waste and it can go to the production of biogas. That is why what Dr. Soumen said is true, because if we use our waste, we can convert it to not only a renewable source of energy, but at the same time we can actually reduce our forex burden. Of course, as has been mentioned, there are technical challenges which each feedstock for biomethanation or anaerobic digestion we'll require a unique set of microbes to cope up with whatever there is in the waste. But then this is what we do actually. Researchers from different walks of or fields come together and find an optimal